Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into the best tool chest cabinet heavy duty. The CRAFTSMAN 41 inches rolling tool chest. Model CMST 341102RB. If you're in the market for a reliable, spacious, and durable storage solution for your tools, this might just be the last cabinet you'll ever need. Let's get into it. Starting with the first impression, this tool chest looks and feels heavy-duty. It's constructed from sturdy steel, coated in a sleek, glossy red finish with a matte black base frame. This isn't just for aesthetics, it's built to endure years of wear and tear in any garage or workshop setting. With a 41-inch width, it offers an expansive footprint without overwhelming your workspace. Let's talk storage. This cabinet features a 10-drawer layout, thoughtfully designed to accommodate tools of all sizes. Whether it's wrenches, screwdrivers, power tools, or specialty hand tools, there's a spot for everything. The top drawers are shallow, ideal for small tools and accessories, while the lower drawers offer deeper compartments for bulkier items. Each drawer opens and closes smoothly on ball-bearing slides, rated to support up to 100 pounds. And yes, that means you can fully load them up without worrying about sagging or jamming. On top of that, each drawer includes a removable non-slip tray liner, which adds grip and protects the interior from scratches and oil. A standout feature of this CRAFTSMAN cabinet is the full-width aluminum drawer pulls. They're ergonomic, feel solid in your hand, and give a polished, professional touch. On the right side, there's a built-in paper towel holder, a thoughtful addition for quick cleanups, especially when you're elbow-deep in engine grease or sawdust. Mobility is another area where this unit excels. It comes mounted on 4 heavy-duty casters, 2 fixed and 2 swivel with locking capability. Whether you need to move it across the garage or lock it in place for stability, you've got the flexibility. The large push-bar handle makes maneuvering the chest easy, even when fully loaded. Security is well covered with the integrated locking system. One turn of the key, and all 10 drawers are secured, keeping your tools safe from both theft and accidents. Installation is pretty straightforward. It ships mostly assembled. Just attach the casters and handle, and you're good to go. It's a breeze for anyone with basic tools and about 20 minutes to spare. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone who's finally decided to get their garage organized, this cabinet checks all the boxes. It's rugged, reliable, and designed with real-world use in mind. At a price point that significantly undercuts many competitors with similar build quality, the CRAFTSMAN 41 inches rolling tool chest is a value-packed investment. You're not just buying storage, you're buying peace of mind, efficiency, and durability. This cabinet brings order, protection, and style to your workshop. That's it for today's breakdown on Product Critique. If you want more hands-on reviews of high-quality tools and gear, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let us know what you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and keep building smart.